Hello and good morning and all that lovely business. So, here's my guy doing his random thing, hanging out, looking like he's having a great time. And the issue that I'm having pop up with the audio files and the stop, let me show you. So I put together 5 different audio files with a sleep 8 in between them, just so there's enough time to hopefully kind of get an idea of what's going on. But let me run that real quick and just see what I mean. Now, it wasn't very obvious with just his head going, but with the whole body, it's take a look.
Good morning to you.
See, he just stops, and then he'll go back. And it almost looks like he's trying to catch up on those missed steps.
I enjoy learning new information.
Like the head goes a little bit crazy from time to time.
Okay, go ahead. Personally, I found it to be very entertaining.
Yeah, there we go. Random head action. So, I don't know. I was looking around to try to see if there was something that stops his anything from his life folder, or I don't know. I was looking around a bunch of things. I didn't know if this is like a sleep timer in there, or he's in rest mode for a second. Like, I couldn't find anything connected to that, which is why I'm puzzled on the issue. And I mean, there's workarounds on this. You know, I can make a single audio file and just time it, but it would be amazing if we can get this up and running. There's no problem with him actually speaking. These audio files I put together are just an Amazon Poly, just so I could work on his emphasis and everything a little bit better. Figured just for this that works, but anyway, hopefully that covers what's needed. I'll put just, the couple lines that I ran in the Python window into the video description. Very straightforward though. It's just the audio file and the sleep. That is it. If you got any suggestions or I don't know, anything I could possibly try or that might cause that, much appreciated. Save me a lot of headaches. So thank you for checking this out. Have a good one.